Good morning, all. So, today I'm going to present a topic on a subject name called Rehabilitation by Heritage Restoration. The subject code is C3005, and the subject belongs to the Department of Civil Engineering of third year, fifth semester, presented by myself. So the chapter one, the name of the chapter one is Maintenance and Repair Strategies. It is including the following topics such as maintenance, repair and rehabilitation, facets of maintenance, importance of maintenance, various aspects of inspection, assessment procedure for evaluating a damaged structure, and causes of deterioration. So these are the topics which is involved in this first chapter. So the first topic is about maintenance, repair, and rehabilitation. So this is the general introduction about the subject. So maintenance, which is nothing but act of keeping something in good condition. That is, we can check it regularly or repairing it regularly, and we can keep that structure in good condition. So maintenance activities, which is mainly carried out in buildings. So this will be including the inspection activities and also the original standard of service, and it is a process of controlling the condition of a building, and also it will be including the services so that the serviceability remains within specific region of acceptability. So this is called as maintenance. And repair, which is an action of improving or replacing the functionality of a member or structure. So repairing is nothing but whether it is a building is damaged, or whether it is broken, or whether it is whatever it may be, any fractures or any cracks, so repair work must be done. So this is called as repair. So it will be including the stages. So the definition which I'm given here is repair refers to the modification of a structure partly or wholly which is damaged in appearance or serviceability. So the stages of repair, it includes removal of damaged concrete and pre-treatment of surfaces and reinforcement, application of repair materials, and restoring the integrity of individual section, and strengthening of a structure as a whole. So these are the stages of repair. So the objective of the subject is to get the knowledge on quality of concrete and durability aspect, and the causes of deterioration, and assessment of distressed structures, and repairing of structures and demolition procedures. So the repair of concrete structure, which will be including the following points, that is common situation that needs repair. So when the repair is needed, when the rehabilitation work is needed, so in which situation which is needed, it should be noted. And seismic repair of wall, if any column is repaired or any beam is repaired, at that time strengthening is required. And change of applications such as strengthening or retrofitting. So these two processes should be carried out in repairing of concrete structures. And also the damages may cause due to mainly environmental conditions, so that is accidental environmental condition. So it will be including the rain and chemical attack or wind or whatever it may be. So the first one is rain. So we all know, so rain is an important source of water. So without that we cannot live. So similarly, the water which contains both acidic and alkalinity condition, so which is called as a universal solvent, so which is the main cause for expansion and contraction process, and materials which is subjected to repetitive expansion and contraction. So when they become wet or dry, it will be developing the stresses in the building structures. So also temperature also will be causing the expansion contraction between the building structures. So next one is chemical. So water which contain acidic as well as alkalinity. So both will be corroding the structure of the wall. So which is called as chemical weathering. So in this picture, you can see H2 is corrosion on the concrete walls. So that is because of acidic condition, the corrosion will happens in the wall. Next one is wind. So wind is which is nothing but this is also an environmental condition. So wind occurs, that is wind travels. So that is transporting the abrasive materials and assist the physical weathering. So it occurs the surface of the building mainly. And next one is temperature. The temperature may be cold temperature or warm temperature. So it depends upon the seasonal variation. The also changes in the structure may happen. And the next one is normal wear and tear condition. So due to over usage and due to over usability, its appearance will get diminished, and also serviceability also will get decreased. So you can see in the picture, concrete damage was found to be a serious threat to the structural integrity of spillway. So the first topic is about the facets of maintenance. In facets of maintenance, it will be including maintenance operations have many phases such as emergency maintenance, condition-based maintenance, fixed time maintenance, and preventive maintenance. In emergency maintenance, it will be occurred because of natural calamities. So natural calamities will be fire, flood, cyclone, and earthquake. So this is called as natural calamity. So because of this also emergency maintenance is required. And second one is condition based maintenance. In condition based maintenance, work is initiated after duty inspection. After inspection, the work will get started. So that is called as condition based maintenance. The third one is fixed time maintenance. So activities repeated at predetermined interval of time. During the intervals of time, the activities will get repeated. This is called as fixed time maintenance. And the next one is preventive maintenance. So this is intended to preserve by preventing failure, detecting any fault. So that is work is done before failure takes place. Before failure has been, before the starting of the failure itself, the work should get carried out. So this is called as preventive maintenance. The next one is opportunity maintenance. So in this work, did and as soon as possible within the limits of operation needed, etc. And day-to-day care maintenance is daily maintaining activities. Daily maintaining activities should be carried out daily. So that is called as day-to-day activities. And next one is shutdown maintenance. Now, shutdown maintenance after closing of all the facilities, at that time maintenance is to be carried out. That is called as shutdown maintenance. An improvement plan is, this is essentially maintenance operation whether weak leaks in the original construction are either replaced by new parts. So new parts should be changed. That is called as improvement plan. So next topic is about importance of maintenance. In the importance of maintenance, why the importance is necessary, we have to improve the life of the structure. So for that, importance of maintenance is necessary. And also we have to improve the life period of the structure. And also we have to improve the appearance of the structure. And also we have to improve the serviceability of the structure. And defects should be identified easily, and so that we can go for the next step, that is how to improve the structure of the building. And also we have to give the remedial measures for the particular collapse of the building. So maintenance, which is nothing but a continuous cycle, which will be including the following structures such as structural maintenance, electrical wiring maintenance, plumbing maintenance, water supply sanitation, and finishes in floors and walls, and roof terrace maintenance, and service platform and veranda, lifts, doors, uh, windows, and other elements. So these are the elements to be maintained essentially, because without maintenances the building cannot be maintained properly. So without monitoring this, so we have to maintain these structures. So following are the important, I have said already, these are the important points to be carried out for importance of maintenance. And next one is various aspects of an inspection. So it will be including the four parts, that is daily routine maintenance, weekly routine maintenance, monthly routine maintenance, and yearly routine maintenance. So in daily routine maintenance, maintenance is carried out daily. So basically, an inspection is carried out whether any cracks are developed on the building, or whether any type of a defect is identified in a building of the wall, whether any structure have changed, whether any broken, that is whether any tiles or whether any bricks have been damaged. So each and everything can be monitored daily, and daily, this is called as daily routine maintenance. So on behalf of that monitoring, we can go for an inspection process. So that is called as daily routine maintenance. It also will be including the drain pipes from the roof during rainy season. And next one is weekly routine maintenance. It will be including the electrical accessories, cobweb cleaning, flushing sewers, etc. And next one is monthly routine maintenance. It will be including cleaning of doors, windows, latches, and checking of septic tank, and cleaning of overhead tanks, peeling of plasters, everything. Floor cracks. So you have to maintain the building in monthly basis. That is cleaning the doors, cleaning the windows, cleaning the latches. We can do on a monthly basis, and also checking the septic tank, checking the sewer lines of the septic tank, checking the pipelines, fittings, fixtures, etc. Everything on monthly basis. And also observation of crack and the elements, which will be including if anything crack which is present in the building, which also can be maintained easily. And cleaning of overhead tanks also can be done. And next one is yearly routine maintenance, which will be including the small repair works, and whitewashing can be done in yearly manner, and also painting of steel components, and whether to check of displacement or remedial measures. For example, if it, what type of a material is used, so the durability of the material should be considered. For example, steel will not corrode in a dry and salt-free environment, but it will do so in the presence of moisture and chloride ions. So these are the example. So which material will be matched to which environment? So this should be monitored, and this should be this activity should be neglected, and the correct activity should be carried out. And also it will be including the minimum and maximum temperatures, that is temperature cycle, exposure to ultraviolet radiation, amount of moisture, or presence of aggressive chemicals. So this should be monitored, and according to that, the routine maintenance should be carried out. Thank you.